How to redeem Best Buy gift cards. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use the gift cards of Best Buy. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you will need to head over to bestbuy.com, and after you're there, simply browse for anything that you want to add or anything that you want to buy. So simply search for it, and after you find something that you like, you can add it to your cart. After you add it to your cart, you can head over to your cart to check out. After you're on checkout option, tap on checkout, and after you do that, you will be presented with the payment method section. As you can see right here, it's just saying my location, my pickup name, and whatnot. Now, if I just scroll down, what will happen is that there will be an option where you can just, you know, put in the payment methods. So while you try to put in the payment method, you should see an option that says add gift cards, store credits, or discount codes. Simply tap on that, and right here, you will need to type in your card number of your gift card or the discount codes of the gift card. After you do that, if you have the pin, you can type that in here as well, and then tap on apply, and yeah, you're good to go. That is how you can redeem your gift cards on checkout. I'm in Best Buy. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.